We guide you through it with a playbook, and this can be refined like any of the content to suit your own requirements and workflows. This playbook talks about establishing the scope and context, as well as defining your AI and ML capabilities, looking at risks, looking at and implementing controls, updating risk assessments, and then looking towards your internal audit and your management review to check that everything has been done effectively before potentially undergoing some kind of external audit or certification audit. These are the steps that we're going to step through. You can see here some of them in my tracker are completed and some are uncompleted. They can be assigned out to different people to collaborate on implementing the Responsible AI program.